Hi friends, this video shows how to set up Google TV Streamer 4K device. These are the items that we get with this Google TV Streamer 4K device. Two AAA batteries, USB cable, adapter, remote controller, Google TV Streamer 4K device, user manual. First I am going to set up this remote. Let me open this battery cover. Then insert these AAA batteries. Then close this cover. Done. Remote is ready. Next I am going to set up this adapter. So let me connect this USB cable to adapter. Then this end of the cable we can connect to Google TV Streamer 4K device. See, this is the Google TV Streamer 4K device. Let me check the ports. This is HDMI output port. Here we can connect HDMI cable from the TV. This is LAN port. Here we can connect Ethernet LAN cable. This is USB Type-C port. Here we can connect USB Type-C power cable from the adapter. This is reset button or hard reset button. We need to press and hold this button, that way we can reset this device. This is a LED light. First I am going to power on this device. Let me connect this power cable here in this USB Type-C port. Done. And here you can see one LED light. That means right now this device is booting. Let me connect this HDMI cable from the TV to this HDMI output port. Done. After this you can check TV. There you would be able to see setup screen. First we need to pair remote. Then we need to complete the setup. We need to select the language, connect to Wi-Fi network, enter Gmail ID and password. So that way we can complete setup. If you are seeing pairing screen, you can press and hold this back button and home button together until it says paired. So we need to press this back button and home button together to put this remote into pairing mode. Here we need to press and hold this back button and home buttons together. So these two buttons we need to press and hold. Let me press and hold. Then release. Done. Paired. Then select language. Let me select English, US. Then we need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So let me connect to this Wi-Fi network. Here we need to enter Gmail ID. Here we need to select accept. Select accept. Then here we need to select go to Google TV.